In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube banner on Canva. So first, I open Canva. This link I will in my video description. You need to click on create. Then here are type YouTube banner. So you can see this is the first one YouTube banner. Just open. Then here are the lots of pre-made template. You need to just customize. That's it. So example purpose, if I want to mm, customize this one, then here are type your channel, like my name is Kalam, so I write my channel. So if you want to change this font, just go here font. Then here are also available lots of this one and this one. Okay, this is good. Now here are type, I type everyday video. Then here are you can add subscribe, like, and etc. I did this one. Then this one, if you want to change background, just click on here, then going on background, so you can change it to any background, like this one, this good, and this one. Everything you can change it easily. So now if you want to change this photo and you want to add your own image, so just click on download, then upload your image on here. Example purpose, if I upload my own image on here, so please wait. Okay, example purpose, this one, so I want to remove background, just click on bg remover, that's mean background remover, then click on and hold this one. This is really good and attractive, so it's click on the more big. This is good. Now I want to add the subscribe button on here, so now click on share button, then click on download, then png or jpg, and then click on downloads. That's it. Otherwise going on here design, so here are also available lots of design. Example purpose, this one, so I want to replace this current page. You can add your own image, name, then title, background change, everything you can doing customize. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.